Hey everyone, welcome to this full and honest review of Axiom Trade, the next-gen decentralized trading platform built exclusively for the Solana blockchain. In this video, I'll take you step by step through everything you need to know, including how to sign up, how to use the platform effectively, and how to take advantage of its top features. Before we get into the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Axiom Trade is a decentralized, non-custodial trading platform that integrates seamlessly with Solana's ecosystem. Unlike traditional exchanges, Axiom ensures that you retain full control over your funds, eliminating the need to trust third parties. With its user-friendly interface and advanced features, Axiom aims to be the only application you need to trade on-chain. Before we dive into the platform itself, let me tell you about a great opportunity. If you sign up using my referral code CRYHARRY, you'll get cashback on trading fees and become eligible for special trading rewards directly from Axiom Trade. Just use the referral link in the description or enter CRYHARRY when signing up. And don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to sign up and where to enter the referral code right at the start of this video. So stick around and let's get started. Getting started is really simple. First, head over to the Axiom Trade website using the link in the description. Click on Connect Wallet and choose a supported Solana wallet, like Phantom. Or if you want, you can use your email to register into it. Once connected, the platform will automatically create your account. During setup or in the referral section, make sure to enter the code CRYHARRY to activate your rewards. This will unlock access to cashback benefits and future trading bonuses as the platform evolves. That's it. No KYC, no complicated forms. You're now ready to explore Axiom's powerful on-chain trading tools. Axiom's proprietary order execution engine ensures that limit orders are executed within a single block, providing rapid and reliable order fulfillment. To protect your trades from front-running and sandwich attacks, Axiom utilizes MEV-resistant execution paths, ensuring your limit orders remain secure. With Axiom's one-click auto strategies, you can set up comprehensive trading plans, including buy orders and staggered sell orders. With just a single click, earn passive income through integrated yield farming options and trade perpetual swaps with leverage via Hyperliquid, all from within the same platform. Monitor smart money by tracking notable wallet addresses and stay updated with live crypto chatter via an integrated Twitter feed. Axiom offers transparent, competitive trading fees with a tiered rewards system. Active traders can receive up to 0.25% back in SOL rebates, effectively lowering their net fees. Additionally, using a referral code can secure an immediate discount, making the platform even more wallet-friendly. Security is paramount at Axiom. The platform employs a non-custodial wallet system, ensuring your private keys remain under your control. Backed by turnkey scalable infrastructure, Axiom provides robust security, seamless recovery, and protection from vulnerabilities. The platform boasts a sleek, modern dashboard powered by TradingView charts and a live order book, delivering real-time insights in an intuitive interface. Whether you're on desktop or mobile, Axiom ensures a responsive and user-friendly experience. Let's summarize the pros and cons of Axiom Trade. So my positive review about Axiom Trade is lightning-fast order execution, MEV-resistant trading paths, one-click auto strategies, integrated yield farming and perpetuals, non-custodial wallet with robust security, tiered rewards system with SOL rebates. And of course, I have some negative thoughts too, currently only Solana exclusive. New platform with limited track record. No dedicated mobile app yet. Interface may have a learning curve for beginners. In conclusion, Axiom Trade offers a comprehensive suite of tools for Solana-based trading. Its focus on speed, security, and user experience makes it a compelling choice for traders seeking a modern platform. Whether you're interested in meme coins, stablecoins, or DeFi assets, Axiom provides the tools you need to trade smarter. Thank you for watching my review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more in-depth reviews and tutorials. See you in the next one.